Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to flat twist using Brazilian wool. So sit back, watch, and don't forget to subscribe and like, okay? So first off, I'm going to start off with parting my hair. This is my Brazilian wool. So you take your Brazilian wool, you clean it along with your hair, pack a certain amount of hair, take it together, you twist. You keep adding Brazilian wool and then you twist it. Now as you twist and make sure you pack your hair from the back, the front, all round. Now as you're twisting, make sure it's laid down. The thing is, pack your hair, twist it, make it lay down seamlessly. The work here is literally packing your hair and twisting and taking your Brazilian wool and twisting. So you do it all the way down. Make sure you pack your hair. And why I prefer Brazilian wool is because it's soft and it has a way of blending with your hair basically. So I'm going to do the same for the other parts. I'm going to pack my front hair, just carry a certain amount of hair, and I'm going to twist it. And as you're twisting, just keep adding Brazilian wool so it will look seamlessly clean and smooth. It's very important for your hair to be relaxed for this process. Even though it's not relaxed, if you have a long natural hair, this is going to be really smooth. I would suggest Brazilian wool because it's really smooth and soft. I'm going to pack it from the back, then take one strand of Brazilian wool and tie it alongside with everything. Use comb and just comb it and just comb it down so it looks really smooth and laid down. Then I'm going to take over from the back. I'm going to roll it backwards. And we're done. So I'm going to use my afro. It has a rope and then I'm just going to comb it. There's a pin in it, so I'm just going to clean the pin alongside with my hair, and then the rope down underneath it. I'm going to use the rope and just draw it in. Then just tie it all around so it will be strong and have a firm hold. I'm going to use my bobby pin and just hold it down so it will have a firm hold literally. So this is a really simple hairstyle. Less than 3 minutes you're done. I'm just going to use the bobby pin and hold it together. Then for the finishing look, you guys, we're going to use our petals gel and just lay it down beautifully. If your hair is relaxed, this is going to be a really smooth process. And then we just use our breezy brush and then brush it through to make it even smoother. And our edge control, you guys. So this is just the final finishing look. We're going to use this to just smoothen our edges, give it some baby hair. Just smoothing it so it will look really smooth, new and beautiful.
Yeah,
that we're done, this is the final look, you guys. Let me know if you're going to try this hair. My goodness, look at this. This is one hair that I know you can literally slay anytime, any day, any season of the year. It's beautiful, it's easy, it's simple, and it just does it for me. So let me know if you're going to be trying this hair. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and please let me know in the comment section what you think about this hair. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.